I got engaged on Valentine's Day and I'm about to be married. One of the things that attracted me to my babe is his level of intelligence.
Step into the light where wisdom takes the stage. Join the journey, let your spirit grow. Unveiling Daddy's channel, there's so much to know.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Oh my god, it's been a while. Alright, so today's conversation, finally we are talking about this. I know you'll be seeing the ring on my finger. Some people, they already knew. Mostly people that are in my circle, people I have on my contact list, like already know that okay, this girl is engaged. But for my YouTube family, now I'm announcing to you guys that I am engaged and I'm about to be married. Yes, we are going to talk about the teas, how everything happened, what happened. Everything is going to be happening in this video. So do not go anywhere. Click the subscribe button and also turn on the post notification so you can be updated whenever I post a new video. Also like this video and share with your friends and family. Alright, so let's go straight into the video. I got engaged on Valentine's Day, February 14th. Yes, it's been how many months now? I think almost 6 or 7 months, if I'm not mistaken, that this has happened, and I'm saying it now. I think this was actually the right time to talk about it, and I feel comfortable talking about it now. No issues, and I'll also be putting clips of how the everything happened, the event of that day. So it was a Friday actually, and obviously I went to work. But before that day, Valentine's Day, my babe already told me that okay, we were going out on that particular day. And funny how I didn't even add clue. He didn't even leave any clue. I should have gotten a clue when he told me I should do my nails. That was the first time he told me to do my nails. He suggested the hair I should do, which I did. And then I just was like, I should dress nice. And I'm like, dress nice. All right. I just wore a particular dress. Even though that dress I wore that particular day was not what I was supposed to wear, but I just made a choice at the dying minute. So I just dressed, I went to work. I don't know what to expect. I knew in the evening we are going to have a date. And it was supposed to be a beach dinner date. That was what he told me. But it didn't end up that way. I called him, okay, where am I meeting you? And then he was like, okay, come to so place. And then I started my journey. Eventually I got there. I got to the location and then it was like, okay, there's a change of plans. We were supposed to go to the beach, but fortunately we could not go because of it was late Lagos traffic. So I was stuck in traffic for some time, so which was why we had to change location. So we eventually went to a mall somewhere on the island. When we walked into a restaurant, he ordered food for me. I ate a full plate of rice and chicken. I was so filled up this particular day. So after eating, we talked and all that. Then we went to the ice cream. I love ice cream, by the way. Please, ice cream, ice cream. I'm always craving for ice cream. Every time, babe, buy me ice cream, buy me ice cream. I am so in love with ice cream. Like I think I had 2 cones of ice cream that particular day. I was so filled up. So thereafter, we took a walk around the mall. We were talking, gisting. I also got him a gift, by the way. I forgot to mention. Funny how I didn't even capture what I got him, but I got him a couple of stuff that I know he needed, like t-shirts and some other things that I got. I wrapped and packaged. It was Valentine's Day, Lover's Day. So what do you expect? I needed to pack something nice for my baby boy. We took a walk around the area and all that. And then he just mentioned casually that he has been out like during the day, just making plans on how the day was going. I'm like, okay, why are you out since money? There's nothing serious, just a date. So why have you been out? So I was curious, by the way, but I didn't really press in to find out what he was out doing and all that. But was just like he has been up and down. Though I was calling him just to keep tab of okay, where are you? How is work going and all that? And I was like, okay, he went out. I'm like, what is this guy doing? What is his plan? All that. We so we're taking a walk and then we had to rest somewhere. So we were resting and then he handed me a flower, like a blue small flower. And I was like, oh, thank you. Thank you. By the way, I don't know if I love flowers. I'm not a flower person, but it was just like a symbol of love and it was blue again. So I had to appreciate it because I'm a blue girl. I'm a blue lady. Like, see me, see blue. I love blue so much. So I really appreciate the flower. I think I still have it now. I still have that particular flower. Yes, I kept it. So after he said that, okay, gave me the flower and appreciated him and it was like happy Valentine's Day, baby, and all that. Then it was like he kept a gift for me somewhere. I'm like, okay. So my head now connect, okay, probably that was why he has been house. I was like, okay, he kept a gift somewhere for me. And I was wondering where is the gift. So I was like, okay, I should move towards a particular direction. So I moved there and then I checked. I didn't see anything. And then I turned back. I saw somebody on his nail asking me if I would marry him. So I just saw him on his nail with the box ring and all that. And I was like, what is happening here? What is really, really happening here? And that was how he asked me, will you marry me? Will you be my woman forever? Spend the rest of our lives together and all that. And I was like, yes. To be honest, I didn't know how to react. I didn't know how I was even feeling that particular period. I was emotional, I was excited, I wasn't expecting it because I wasn't expecting it. I wasn't expecting it to be on February 14 because you always mention July something, July something. Something's going to happen in July. Something's going to happen in July. So in my head, this man is going to propose to me in July. I never knew it was something else that was happening in July. However, so that was how it happened. And I said yes, obviously, because I've got the best man. My best friend is like it's everything. Like, oh my god, we'll get to talk about how amazing my babe is, how sweet, wonderful, awesome. Like he's the perfect gift from God to me. So many things to say, which we'll get to see in another video. But I'm really, really happy that I'm doing life with him. It has been all sweet, calmness, stillness. Like you are friends, like friend. Like you meet somebody in just a short while and you click so deeply. Like it's as if we've known ourselves for years and everything just happened so sweet, so seamless. And the journey, to be honest, has been all amazingly sweet. You guys will get to know about the other teas that has been happening for quite some time now. So that was how I got proposed to. And yes, obviously, I'm about to be married. You know, God is with me, God is with us on this journey because indeed, every step of the way, I have seen the hand of the Lord. And I'm like, I'm not alone on this journey because God Almighty is with me and I know He's with you also. That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the tea. More of it is also going to be coming on this channel. So please and please kindly click the subscribe button so you won't miss out on these updates. I'll also be having him on the channel one of these days so you can come talk to us because this man is filled with wisdom. One of the things that attracted me to my babe is his level of intelligence. Like this man is vast all around. Like, is it science? Is it arts? Is it history? He's vast. He's very, very intentional. He's an intentional man, actually. Very, very intentional. He loves me deeply. Like, he's not a love that, oh, I love you, I care about you. Like, you love somebody and you're showing workings. Like, you are seeing the workings, you are seeing the handwritings on the wall. That is what true love is all about. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. As I do always say, keep trusting, keep believing. God is going to come true for you. I will see you in my next video and bye for now.